I love bugs. This week we are talking about bugs and insects. And since they live outside, I'm going to put my sunglasses on. So when I am outside hunting for bugs and insects this week, my eyes will be safe too. So, what are bugs and insects? Let me tell you about a couple of them. So there are ants and beetles. There are bees and wasps. There are true bugs, butterflies, moths, flies, and grasshoppers. Today, we're going to talk about the different parts of a bug and insect's body because there are many parts to our body. We have something that's very different, one of the many different things that we have that insects and bugs don't. We have a skeleton, and we've been talking about that a lot while we were in school. And did you know bugs and insects do not have a skeleton? On the inside, their skeleton is on the outside of their body to keep them safe and protected. And it's called an exoskeleton. So let's look and learn about all the different parts of an insect's body, okay? Hold on. All right, so we've got parts of an insect. We've got all sorts of bugs and insects in these pictures. And they all have these things in common or alike. Parts of an insect. This is it looks like a fire ant because it's red. It's pretty cool. And it's got all of these arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there are actually 6 parts of an insect. First, you have a head. This is a bumblebee. This is it says head. The arrow is pointing to the head. Every bug and insect has a head. Then, most have a thorax. This is the middle part of an insect's body, the thorax. Then, they also have something called an abdomen. An abdomen is like your belly, and it's this back part of a bug's body. Our abdomen is in the middle of our body, like this, but this is for bugs, it's a thorax. And for bugs, the abdomen is in the back. Then they have antennas. This is a little firefly or a glow bug. The butterfly has the wings. And this grasshopper, this picture is showing the legs. Those are all the parts of an insect. The head, thorax, abdomen, antennas, wings, and their legs. When you go hunting for insects in your front or backyard with your family, hopefully this week, you can actually capture some kind of a bug inside of a jar or a bowl with a lid with holes so it can breathe. And you can try to examine and look at all the different parts of a bug. And that would be an incredibly fun thing for you to do. And I think you'd have a really great time doing it. You could actually become a bug scientist. Do you know what that's called? An entomologist. You can become an entomologist studying the parts of an insect. Isn't that cool? All right, happy bug hunting.